Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to find a solution about Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to Google Classroom. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all the steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.